Okay, so tell me what you're preparing there, Chef.
These gonna be my garlic Parmesan wings.
Okay, and so tell me what was the process? So you fried them first, and now you're.
I fried them. I made a butter, garlic sauce, and it's garlic, 2 sticks of butter, lemon pepper, pepper flakes, and a little bit of chili powder. Not chili powder, I'm sorry. Cayenne pepper.
Okay.
You give away your recipe now?
I ain't getting away. Yeah. Everybody know that one. And Parmesan cheese.
Okay. So they all went into the liquid sauce that you're tossing the fried wings with?
I gotta throw that.
Okay. What are you doing, sir?
I'm good. How about yourself?
You had these wings before?
Huh?
You've had these before?
I don't have, yes, I ain't having his time. I don't have any yet. Oh, yeah. I ain't had his, but, you know, he's my chef. Whatever he cook, it gonna be good.
Mm-hmm.
And I put my life on it.
Okay.
God damn. I don't even put that on.
You know, I put my life on lobster.
So can I ask you why you're tossing it that way instead of like with the tongs? Is it gonna?
Cause I'm professional.
Okay, well that's what I want to know. For the amateurs, we may need to use like some utensils. Yeah, this is definitely professional. Not one wing has slipped out of the bowl. Looks like they're all evenly coated. That looks delicious.
I am gonna hit it with the little spatula.
Oh, okay.
And I'm
It
gonna
smells delicious.
throw them in the oven.
Mm-hmm.
What? Lord.